So this is a butterfly bubble braid that I'm doing on this little cutie today. I thought it'd be a nice Easter style. So I've put the hair into pigtails and then I'm taking some coloured elastics and just tying that quite tightly around the hair. And then I want you to tease out, but don't just tease the front, tease all the way around like 360. So nice and tight, and then hold on to it and tease it just to create that real bubble effect. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. I'm teasing out. The little one was passing me all the different colour elastics. It was so cute. She was really concentrating at this point. Now, I got these from Shein, and they're like little hair beads, but you just kind of clip them in. So you just hook them in and then press them, and they kind of like press closed. So I used all different colours. Again, she was passing them to me. And then we did butterflies. Look at her concentrating on the next one. And I put those all the way along. So on every elastic, I put a butterfly in. And then we did the same on the other side, just alternating the colours. And these little hair clip things stay in, like they don't fall out at all. And look how cute. And then we've got a little guest appearance by Sequin the Penguin. And there's the finished result.